Video ya Tash partying with his friends at a local club ni atiga ando magegete muno thukuri na Akenya aria matetera Tash muno kuona gicanjama kia miario ni gikwanjitie guikanirio ni Akenya amwe magitetera Tash ni undu wa muturire ucio wake wa partying na amwe makimutetera muno makiuga he is a good father to Betty Bayo's kids and he was a good husband kuona kuri aria makwanjitie guikia mahiga thutha wa kuona video iyo. Ni video yakorwo igithie viral guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, Tash akionekana agikena na marafiki ake having some party time. Kuma riria Betty Bayo ahurukire, Tash akoretwo agikara muturire very quiet atakuonekana guku nenda-ini.